Welcome back to Radical Farm. We are out here in the goat area, the goat field. Can you see them? Roxy? Oh, okay.
The one time.
Yeah. Here's one of them. They're getting really fat now. Hello. What'd you eat? They're getting pretty big already. Oh, here's the twin. Hello. They're fluffy goats. You know, what are you eating? Grass?
It's a pretty big field.
It's a big field. This is the smallest field, I believe.
They've got a nice coffee table and kids playground and a dog that
This is what we were sitting on last time.
Oh, there he is. In their future house.
Yeah, the goat shed.
And doggy number 2.
Oh, here she comes. Hey, Roxy. We got Big Gimli, a friend. And this one has a space issue. Hello. Hello. Her favorite thing is walks in the yard and petting. Are we gonna walk the field?
Yeah, we can. This is the beautiful fence that we put up.
Yeah. Spent all that time.
It's really bigger than you think it is.
Yeah.
When you actually start to walk it.
Now we're obviously at the end. And we were just sitting. There's the coffee table.
All the weeds that you took off.
I don't know if I ever post anything about that. Yeah. We had to cut all this mess down. He tries to clear the traffic for us to walk. Our soon to be future goat shed.
Quite large.
It's a big
We
goat
could
shed.
at least fit 30 goats in there.
Y'all can stand in the corner. Okay. Pretty good. I think this is 12 by 16 in here. So we'll have plenty of room for even more goats or whatever else.
I guess now we're going to move on to another part of our Radical Farm. In our log cabin.
In the front of our house.
Mind the Target bags on the front porch with our Christmas decorations in it.
Oh well. Our cool tree.
I've heard it looks like a storybook, which I hadn't thought of when we bought it.
Looks like a storybook?
Our house.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, can we go for a nature walk?
We're going to go for a walk in just a second. This is our field number 3.
Yeah.
Field number 3. For now, it's kind of was our brush weed drop-off location.
Yeah.
In which we bought some burn barrels
Over here.
that we clearly don't know how to use.
Still haven't done that yet.
That's our.
It's the back of
We
the
found
barn.
the gate. Yeah, that's gonna be my future herb garden.
Yep.
Tilled it and put horse poo on it.
Donkey poo.
Oh, donkey poo.
No, right, Hudson. This one's too many. We just walked through all back here, and that was fun.
We have lots of opportunities that we just realized with existing fencing that we just kind of need to fix.
Yeah. And we have the
It's like a
signs.
fairy tale back here. And also, apparently there's like berry bushes back there, so we've been told. And we found the bridge that we were told about, but I don't know what fall time berry bush looks like, so I'll have to Google that.
Yeah.
This is field number 2.
Wow. Wow. Uh-oh. Yep, field number 2. Oh, let's gonna do it again.
You want to do in the barn? The trash barn? Oh, yeah.
Did we get field 2?
Oh, field number 2.
This is the biggest field. It's field 2. And
And we
then
cleared all of that up.
if you want to get a shot this way,
Hmm.
I think that's still a little bigger than the front field.
These are both bigger than the front field, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty trashy in here. I haven't.
I know.
It's funny because on like our introduction video, we said that we were gonna clean this out, and we have not yet cleaned it out.
I
We
did.
tried to.
I did clean out a lot of this stall, which is what's right here.
It smelled like a dead animal in there. It doesn't smell anymore. Hudson, don't stand on that. It's old hay.
Me sneezing.
Did you notice that I said don't do that, and he's still doing it?
Mm-hmm. Get down.
This is where the donkey lives for 2 weeks.
This was Donkey's stall.
That was his stall. Old horse poo.
We inherited
Old chicken
that.
coop
Hudson, hang on.
that we'll probably use one day.
Yeah.
Because I've started baking a lot more and everything uses eggs. I mean, I actually forgot to put more eggs. Hey, don't go in there.
Hey.
Why do I want to go? Why do I want to go?
We've been short on videos recently because I've had who knows what for 2 weeks straight and I'm still coughing.
My bronchitis.
There's a hay loft up there, which we were going to go get hay and straw, and we have yet to do. It tells you how much time we have. We have a list of things we need to do.
Mm-hmm.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's 4 stalls. These just don't have windows on this side.
Yeah, it's dark.
But I think they're about the same size. The one, that was a full-size donkey we had, and he had plenty of room in his stall. So they're bigger than they might look.
I can see it better through your phone than if I use my
Mhm.
eyeballs.
This is the barn trail.
Yeah, Labor Day weekend, I think, wasn't it? Or was it Memorial
Yeah.
Day? Labor Day
Oh.
weekend. I get them mixed up.
September 7th. Whichever
3
one that
days
is.
straight. We came out here and cleaned up a lot of these. There was like bushes and stuff. So now you can see through the fence. And I raked leaves.
It was bare
And you
ground
see.
out here.
But also, when we first looked at this house before we got it, we didn't even notice there was so much stuff right there. We didn't even notice
But
there were
there's
swings.
2 swings hanging out. What?
Look in the tree.
The speaker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think it still works?
I hope so.
It's pretty cool. It's a tree swing.
Hold on, man. Hold on like normal. There you go.
Yeah, there's
Come
the
on.
pile that we need to move to the burn area. There's the house. You see the ducky doos?
Oh, yeah.
They have a treehouse back here, and our old play set, and our compost pile, and a random set of metal shelves.
Huh?
A random set of metal shelves.
Those are free.
All of the children's toys that will not fit in our tiny house
Yeah.
are shoved in their new treehouse. Here's their little house and their water that they have gotten dirty in a matter of hours. Oh, goodness.
Oh,
Wow. I haven't seen them in like 2 weeks because I've been sick.
it's a big boy now. He's a big boy. Don't do it. I'm a big boy. I think you're a boy.
He's a boy. Quack, quack.
Don't make me hold Harold. One, you're not being nice. You're not being nice. You're not being nice, Harold. I mean,
That's
one.
one.
Jeez. No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's a good ducky. I feed you every day. I feed you every day.
That's our outside of our house. Oh, we forgot to show over there we have a grapevine
And
and a fig tree.
yeah. There's a dinosaur feet.
Oh. I think that's it.
It's heavy now. I haven't held him this long in a while.
They're kind of fat.
And full feathered now, I think. His neck's a little scruffy still. One. Yeah, okay. No problem.
You want to hang up now?
Hang up.
Yeah.
Well, this is our small farm with more. We should have filmed more of the woods.
I know.
There is a
We'll have to
clip,
do that
though.
again.
This is it for now. Plenty of things to be doing. Which is why we
Lots of
don't have time.
projects.
Yeah. There's no wing sitting like that. Tuck them in. Tuck them in. There you go. Thanks for watching. We hope this was fun. And we'll see you in the next one.